So here is this app Poppy It Fidget Toys 3D, and I'll just do an overview like Pop Toy Challenge. And then they ask you to start with subscription. But you can I just start with one of those? Or can I just... So yeah, finally I'm in the app. You can allow... So here, then yeah, basically there are these three versions. And that's basically then how it looks. So it's kind of like satisfying and stress relieving. That's what you can do. So that's the idea of the app. You can enable vibrations, you can change the color, and then of course you can just change different, like stress ball, for example, you can just select from here, but then again you need to upgrade. So basically, or maybe not, wait. So something like that. So yeah, it's like interesting, can be addictive game. Hope that is helpful. That's the app. Definitely